Welcome to the Strings by Mail Tension Device Experiment Series. This will be experiment number 4 to continue our discussion of all things related to string tension and how it affects the variables in playing our instruments. In this experiment, we are going to check and see what the effect is on string gauge and how it affects note bending. We're going to bend through 1/2 and full steps. We're going to use a Stratocaster setup in the Strings by Mail tension device. Our scale length is 25 1/2 inches. Okay, so let's bend some strings. Our string gauges used for this experiment will be from an 8 gauge through an 11 gauge. All strings will be tuned to E, which is 329.6 Hertz. The action height set at the 12th fret will be 1.75 millimeters. As we move up the neck at fret markers 3 through 21, we are observing the bending pressure required to create half and full step bends and the tension change created at the string. There is a significant difference when bending an 8 gauge string compared to an 11 gauge string. For example, when bending an 8 gauge a full step at the 7th fret to C sharp, the pressure to bend is 2.5 pounds and the tension change at the string is 2.62 pounds. In comparison, the 11 gauge string requires 4.2 pounds to bend and the string tension increases to 4.92 pounds. In this experiment, we have once again observed how choices in string gauge affect the playing of our instruments. There are significant differences to consider when you are choosing the strings that you are going to play. Not only the genre of music you enjoy, but also the design of your instrument and the sound you're looking for. For most, especially beginners, playability is very important. We encourage you to go to stringsbymail.com and use our free string filter to help you choose the strings you would like to play. Remember, Strings by Mail, changing the world one string at a time.